Okay, Xiaomi might have just dropped one of the most complete smartwatches of the year, and honestly, the Xiaomi Watch S5 46mm is giving flagship smartwatch energy without trying too hard. From the premium stainless steel frame to that insanely bright AMOLED display and all the sports tracking features packed inside, this thing feels like Xiaomi looked at every major smartwatch on the market and said, alright, we can do that too, but cleaner. And if you're into fitness, battery life, outdoor tracking, or you just want a watch that actually looks expensive on your wrist, this one is seriously interesting. So in this video, we're going through everything top to bottom exactly as you'd experience it on the website, and by the end you'll know whether this is the smartwatch worth buying in 2026. And real quick, if you enjoy detailed tech reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and drop a like because it seriously helps the channel grow and lets me keep making these hands-on style videos for you guys. So starting right at the top, Xiaomi is clearly focusing on style first here, and I gotta say, this design actually looks premium. The Xiaomi Watch S5 comes with a lightweight stainless steel body, specifically 316L stainless steel, which is the same type of material you usually see on more expensive watches. It weighs only around 46 grams, so even though it looks chunky and solid, it should still feel comfortable for all-day wear. The profile is also surprisingly slim at just 10.99mm, which honestly makes it look way cleaner on the wrist compared to bulky fitness watches. Then you notice the integrated bezel design and the tiny ultra-slim bezels around the screen. Xiaomi says the bezels are 40% narrower than the previous generation, and that really helps the display stand out more. There are also minute markers around the edge which gives it that classic luxury watch vibe instead of looking like a generic square smartwatch. And honestly, the crown design is really nice too with the polished finish and brush center. Small details like that make this feel more premium than its price category. Now the display is probably one of the biggest highlights here. We're looking at a 1.48-inch AMOLED panel with a super sharp 480 by 480 resolution, but the crazy part is the brightness. This thing can hit up to 2500 nits peak brightness, which means outdoor visibility should be absolutely amazing even under direct sunlight. Xiaomi also added wet touch protection, so if there are water droplets on the screen during workouts or rain, accidental touches are reduced. That's actually a super underrated feature for people who use smartwatches outdoors. And Xiaomi is definitely leaning into personalization here because there are multiple styles and strap options available. You've got the ceramic blue version with a genuine leather strap, the jungle green version with fluororubber and nylon woven straps, plus classic black and silver stainless steel models. The animated watch faces also look pretty fun, especially the pet watch faces that react when you tap the display. It adds personality without feeling gimmicky. Battery life is another area where Xiaomi is flexing hard. Inside there's a massive 815 mAh battery with Xiaomi Surge battery tech, and according to Xiaomi you can get up to 21 days on light usage. Even with normal usage they're claiming around 14 days, and with always-on display enabled you can still get around 9 days. That is honestly impressive because most premium smartwatches struggle to survive more than 2 or 3 days. If these numbers hold up in real-world usage, this could be one of the best battery life experiences in the smartwatch market right now. Now moving into fitness and sports tracking, this is where things get seriously advanced. The watch supports over 150 sports modes, so basically whether you're running, cycling, hiking, skiing, or just tracking daily workouts, it's covered. But Xiaomi went way beyond basic tracking this time. For cyclists especially, there's now an upgraded cycling mode that can sync real-time data with your smartphone. So your phone basically becomes a bike computer while the watch tracks heart rate, speed, distance, and elevation gain. It also supports Bluetooth power meters for more professional-level cycling data, which is honestly pretty wild for a smartwatch in this category. And after every ride you even get detailed performance reports and personalized recommendations. For cyclists especially, there's now an upgraded cycling mode that can sync real-time data with your smartphone. So your phone basically becomes a bike computer while the watch tracks heart rate, speed, distance, and elevation gain. It also supports Bluetooth power meters for more professional-level cycling data, which is honestly pretty wild for a smartwatch in this category. And after every ride you even get detailed performance reports and personalized recommendations. There's also Bluetooth heart rate broadcasting, which means you can connect the watch to compatible bike computers from brands like Garmin or Brighton. That's the kind of feature fitness enthusiasts genuinely care about. Plus, there's sports vlog support where the watch can remotely trigger video recording on your Xiaomi, Redmi, or Poco phone during workouts while displaying live fitness stats on screen. That's actually super cool for creators or athletes documenting training sessions. And runners are getting a lot of attention too. Xiaomi added on wrist running courses for beginners, fat loss, endurance training, and cardiopulmonary improvement. The watch can even analyze running posture metrics like vertical oscillation and ground contact time, then provide tips to improve form. That's getting very close to what you'd expect from high-end Garmin-style fitness watches. Quick pause here because if you're still watching, clearly you're into smart tech and wearables, so make sure to subscribe and like the video because there are a lot more smartwatch reviews and comparisons coming soon and you definitely don't want to miss them. One feature I genuinely didn't expect is the professional skiing mode with fall detection. The watch can detect falls while skiing, and if there's no response for 60 seconds, it can automatically contact your emergency contact. That's honestly a pretty important safety feature for outdoor sports. Then there's the new passion mode, which sounds funny at first, but it's actually designed for sports fans. The watch can recognize gestures like cheering, clapping, and waving arms during matches, then track calories burned and even generate social media cards with your cheer stats. It's definitely a unique feature and feels very Xiaomi in the best way possible. For outdoor adventures, Xiaomi upgraded the positioning system with dual-frequency GNSS support and compatibility with GPS, Beidou, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS satellite systems. Xiaomi claims 33% better positioning accuracy and faster location locking compared to the previous generation. There's also support for offline maps and route navigation directly on the watch, including backtracking and off-route alerts. That makes this genuinely useful for hiking or trail running without constantly checking your phone. The connectivity side also looks solid. There's Wi-Fi fast transfer for music and offline maps, customizable workout data layouts, and deeper fitness insights with the upgraded training load interface. Xiaomi is also integrating with Health Connect and apps like Sunto, which makes syncing health and workout data way more flexible. Health tracking is obviously a major focus too. The watch uses a new 4-LED and 4PD sensor system with an upgraded heart rate algorithm. Xiaomi claims around 98.4% heart rate accuracy, which is pretty impressive on paper. You also get all-day blood oxygen monitoring, stress tracking, breathing exercises, women's health management, and advanced sleep tracking. And honestly, the sleep tracking system sounds surprisingly serious because Xiaomi partnered with sleep organizations like the World Sleep Society and the Asian Society of Sleep Medicine. The updated sleep algorithm improves sleep stage accuracy and can even generate sleep improvement plans based on your habits. That's a pretty ambitious move for a smartwatch ecosystem. Finally, Xiaomi added a bunch of smart utility features like remote photo capture, Find My Phone, Xiaomi Smart Hub integration, earphone controls, watch screenshots, and customizable wrist orientation modes. So beyond fitness and health, it still works as a full smart companion device. Overall, the Xiaomi Watch S5 46mm looks like Xiaomi is aiming directly at premium smartwatch territory, while still keeping that aggressive value approach they're known for. You've got premium materials, a super bright AMOLED display, insanely long battery life, advanced sports tracking, offline maps, improved health monitoring, and a design that honestly looks way more expensive than expected. Definitely one of the most interesting smartwatch launches this year. Let me know in the comments what you think about it and whether you'd pick this over something from Samsung or Apple. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for more upcoming tech reviews and hands-on coverage.